Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So today's video I want to share with you my Hobonichi 2023 haul. As you can see, I don't have a cousin. I'm going to take the cousin out of the lineup for 2023 just because I feel like as of June of this year I was barely utilizing every single thing and I've been using more on the weeks. So I've decided for 2023 I am not going to be in a cousin. So as you can see, I have 4 different Hobonichi weeks and I will go through them one by one doing an unboxing. The very first one here is the Poekmon weeks. This is another collab with Hobonichi. This is, I think, their second or third collab, but for this time they also came out with a couple calendars. I was gifted one of the calendars. This was purchased directly from the Poekmon Center in Japan. I can see here it's also made by Hobonichi. So if you go to the Poekmon Center online, I will have it linked down below. That's why my phone's here, because I'm trying to make sure that I link everything. But this is also made by Hobonichi and they have the weeks. But we're going to open the weeks first. I'm so excited for this. This is the Japanese version. And you can see everybody, and it feels like how they used to look like. If you look at the communicator, like the Pokedex, that's what they're gonna look like. And in the back, I do not read any Japanese, but yeah, it says Poekmon Center. So I feel like I made a trip there without going there. Ooh, so the cover for this is reminiscent of the, I think I had the Space Invaders one for 2020 or 2019, but it has that nice hardcover and it's glossy. It came with a set of stickers. Aww. And then life book, Hobonichi Techo. Ooh. I don't know if this is all going to be the same for the 2023 one, but this is the little insert. That's cute. Okay, so it came with a set of stickers. Pocket monsters. Oh, classic right there. When you open it, you see the Hobonichi. And it's pretty much the same. This is in Japanese, but the little ribbon is red and green. I have no idea why it's red and green, but yeah. Like, I have never seen a different color. So, and then in the back, the same thing. Nothing else special about it except for that the cover is Pokemon themed. The Space Invader one, the inside of it was dark, and then you could see a little bit of the video game like design on the inside as well. So that's the Pokemon weeks. This is gonna be my shop planner, and I'm probably gonna share it on the internet, maybe not, but this will stay in my desk. And then the Hobonichi desk calendar. Some ASMR for you. This one came with a Hobonichi whiteboard marker. See, it's all Hobonichi theme. It also came with the stickers, so it's quite similar to the weeks, except for that it's colored, and this is more of like the old school Pokédex color, and then this is the colored version of everybody. Oh, there's Pikachu, Raichu, Bulbasaur, all of the evolutions, Charmander. Oh, this is like the OG, the first gen one. So it came with that. Now I don't want to wreck it. Ooh. Pokemon calendar 2023. This one's glossy. Okay. So January, you have Pikachu. This is a Sunday start. So this is going to be a desk calendar. So it's kind of like how you have the video game. Aww. Pokemon Center. It's so cute. You have Clefairy there. And you can write on them using the whiteboard. Some water Pokemons for you. This is really nice. Good quality too. If you ever played Pokemon before, let me know. Back like 20 years ago. Look at that. Oh, but yeah, so it goes all the way. That's November, and then December, and then your final one is Mew. That's not Mew. That's, oh my gosh, is that Mew? Yeah, I think that's Mew. Or the next one, Mewtwo? I forget. And then you also have a blank one with the evolutions down here. So cute. And then you have 2023 calendar and 2024 calendar. Pokemon Center. Oh, I am obsessed. This is so cute. And then you can just kind of fold this out and it will stand on your desk. So that's the Pokemon themed. Let me put this aside. The next one is my everyday carry for 2023. This is my very first Hobonichi Weeks in Mega. This is the English version. I just wanted to see what the difference would be. I think it's all the same. It's the bread. Yeah, but even the insert is in English, so that's nice. We could finally understand what is written on there. It's pretty cool. Aww. And then this one is the same as like any fabric one. And it also came with a little pocket adhesive that goes in the back. And this has 3 times the extra grid pages in the back compared to a regular Weeks. You can even see just how thick that is compared to a regular Weeks. The emboss for the date is white. It's not foiled or anything like that, but it's just pure white. It's coming off more Ramunez style, but it's deeper than that. It's closer to what a Lagoon should be. But I got this color specifically because it reminds me of Link and Zelda in Breath of the Wild. This is the same kind of blue that they have. So I wanted it to be Zelda themed. And then in the back, just real quick, I wanted to see if it's in English also. Yep. All of the extra pages are all in English now. So that's really nice to be able to just kind of know what they're talking about in the back. And then let's see real quick, the quotes are in English as well. The ribbon is the same, gray and a black, but yeah, this is in Lagoon. The third one will be my daughter's first ever Hobonichi. She asked for a planner. This one is the mother and my friends, and this are all a January start. I feel like this came with other things. Yep. So this one has more of that protective, kind of like acetate, no, like a laminate, just to protect this, because this is a different fabric compared to these ones. Like if you've had the plaid covers, the bow and tie ones, it's similar, and these are kind of raised a little bit. But I didn't realize that this is the same mother video game that I've been playing since I was a little kid, so that was nice to see. This also comes with an adhesive pocket. The ribbon is black and gray. Let's see, this one came with a protractor. I want it, but it's for my daughter. But yeah, that's hers. This one is the 365 days or 365 days calendar, January start. This also was a little bit different. Both this particular one, the mother and the Lagoon, I actually picked it up at the Atlas Stationers here in Chicago. But for the 365, it has a little bit of extras inside as well. I didn't know this. I don't think they wrote that on the website either. But for this one, let's move all of these plastic to the side. Came with a little booklet. This one came with the tabs and some extra stickers to kind of match the artwork on the front of the cover. This one's very glossy and it's similar to the Poekmon one. I like this one because it has like some champagne gold foiling for the ear. Here too. And this one is also in English. Came with a pocket, but yeah, I'm gonna do like a bigger deep dive on a comparison video, just comparing the English versus the original Japanese ones. But yeah, that's my Hobonichi haul for 2023. I hope you guys liked this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. And I'll make sure I'll link everything you've seen here today, including the Poekmon weeks. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye!